The Galaxy Z Fold 4 is a new flagship smartphone from Samsung. Its most exciting feature is the foldable design. The new phone is also water-resistant, has a headphone jack, and supports wireless charging. A good earbuds for your Galaxy Z Fold 4 should have excellent sound quality and be comfortable to wear for long periods of time. There are many reasons why you need a good earbuds for your Galaxy Z Fold 4. The first and most important reason is that the earbuds are essential to listening to music and making phone calls. If you want to enjoy music or make phone calls, you need a good set of headphones. The second reason is that the earbuds can provide protection from outside noise. This can be especially helpful if you are using this device on an airplane or in an office setting with lots of people talking around you. The third reason is that they can help keep your head cool while wearing the device in hot weather conditions. Earbuds will help dissipate heat from your ears. So today's video I will show you 5 best earbuds for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 you can buy Amazon. If you want more information and most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any new video. So let's go. Number 5. Beats. Looking for a great pair of headphones to listen to your favorite music? Look no further than the Beats Studio Buds for your Galaxy Z Fold 4. With their noise-canceling capability and sweat-resistant features, you can listen to your music all day without any interruption. These earbuds come with a built-in microphone, so you'll never have an excuse to not answer a call again. Let the music rock and be heard with these noise-canceling earbuds. It doesn't matter if you're in the gym, at the game, at work, or on a phone call. The sound is always crystal clear and distortion-free with these wireless headphones. The earbuds are easy to connect to any device, and the sweat resistance means you'll never have to worry about ruining them when you're out training. Number 4. Jabra. If you're looking for a pair of in-ear headphones that are perfect for your active lifestyle, the Jabra Elite is the perfect fit. These headphones are built with active noise cancellation that reduces background noise so you can focus on your music and conversations. They have a wire-free design with a secure fit earbuds that stay in place even during intense workouts. Charge your headphones on the go with up to 5 hours of battery life. These wireless earbuds are made with sweat-proof material and they are IPX7 waterproof rated, so you can use them in the rain or at the gym. Hear-through talks to you without taking your earbuds out. These Bluetooth in-ear earbuds feature a secure, adjustable fit, 4 built-in microphones and active noise cancellation for uninterrupted listening. Number 3. JBL. The JBL Tune is a wireless headphone that provides an unparalleled sound performance and premium features to offer total mobility and convenience. It combines the latest wireless technology with advanced audio tuning to deliver a listening experience that's unmatched, with deep bass and crisp vocals that are unparalleled by other true wireless headphones. It comes with fast pairing, a high-quality microphone, and an ergonomic design for maximum comfort. With 20 hours of battery life and JBL pure bass sound, you'll never want to stop listening. We've added the ability to call hands-free with a built-in microphone, and you can even use these headphones as a speaker. JBL's latest innovation provides the best listening experience for both music and calls, as well as an easy and fast way to control your device without ever touching it. Got a question? Ask our native voice assistant. Number 2. Philips. Get the best from your music. You deserve the latest in sound technology and comfort with the best features for your favorite smartphone. Philips for your Galaxy Z Fold 4 has a top-of-the-line sound quality with noise cancellation, wind noise reduction, Bluetooth multi-point connections, and more. Whether you're listening to podcasts or audiobooks, our headphones will provide you with a premium sound experience. Philips Galaxy Z Fold 4 true wireless headphones are the perfect accessory to your new phone. With up to 12 hours of playtime and wind noise reduction technology, you'll be able to enjoy your favorite music or podcasts with unparalleled quality. Connect up to 2 devices simultaneously with Bluetooth multi-point connectivity and enjoy hands-free calling too. Number 1. Samsung. Say hi to the new generation of earbuds. Introducing Samsung Galaxy Buds, designed for your Galaxy Fold 4 lifestyle. Whether it's traveling or business, these earphones are ready for anything. It's like living in a world without wires with no tangling or disarray, tomorrow's wireless future made today. Plus, they're also optimized with noise cancelling and hi-fi sound quality to provide you the best listening. Connect to your buds in a snap or go completely wireless with no strings attached. From phone calls and music to podcasts and audiobooks, Samsung Galaxy Buds have you covered. With our buds, you can go the distance by charging both of them and switching seamlessly between them while they charge. Or take a call on one bud while the other stays connected to your music. We've also upgraded the Wi-Fi technology for fast, seamless switching between devices and streaming of your favorite music.